Assalamu alaikum to everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you how we can develop an e-commerce website with Astra starter templates. So first of all, let me just log in into my website. Let me enter my username and password. Click on login. Once you log in, click on appearance and then themes, and then click on add new, and then search for Astra theme. Click on install, and then click on activate. First of all, let me check my website now. So let me import starter templates now. Click on Astra options, scroll down. Now first of all, I want to activate Astra themes plugins that help me to import starter templates. Click on activate, and activate all these plugins. Once they are activated, click on Astra options again, and now install importer plugin. And you will redirect it to this page, and I'm gonna search for e-commerce website, and then I will choose free. So these are the free starter templates that are offered by Astra theme. So in this tutorial I will use this cosmetic store template. Click on it, and let me just check you before import complete site. So once we import, our website will look like this. It is simple and nice design offered by Astra themes. Here you can check the product page, and then about page. It is very simple and good looking design. So let's start importing website. Click on import complete website, and I am a beginner and I am building website for myself. Click on advanced option. So I'm gonna click on next and skip it. Wait few seconds till all the plugins install successfully. And website is successfully imported. Click on view website, and here you can check that we have successfully created a e-commerce website with Astra startup templates. Now if you want to edit this template, click on edit with Elementor, and if you want to edit this text, simply click on it. Here you can change your text. Here is all sections that you want to delete. So thank you friends. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe my channel.